project is titled FuelREV. It aims at the conservation of fuel. We designed a machine which produces hydrogen and oxygen gas by electrolysis and helps improve the efficiency of fuel.
So the problem we're trying to solve is the steeply rising prices of fuel in Kenya and in the whole world. The factor leading to the increase in prices of fuel is massive shortages of fuel in the whole world. And so our business, which produces a machine that helps conserve fuel, will reduce shortages of fuel. Hence, it will also reduce the steeply rising prices of fuel. It will help in controlling inflation of fuel prices. Next, fuel and burning of it causes a lot of global warming and climate change because it emits greenhouse gases and carbon dioxide. And so our machine, which helps in reducing the consumption of fuel, will also reduce the emission of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, hence reduce the rate of pollution and global warming.
Now here we have this is called the electrolysis kit or our product, the FuelREV, which will help us to save fuel in cars and generators. Here, this is what we call a processor and collector. This is where we'll put distilled water that will help us break down the distilled water into hydrogen and oxygen gas that will help us save fuel. Now what really happens, this is the electrolyzer. This is where the water breaks down into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. As you can see, it has 3 wires. These two will give positive charge and a negative charge, and they are connected to the metal plates that can help us break down distilled water into hydrogen and oxygen gas. Now that same water will lead us back to the processor and collector, because we've put around 1 liter distilled water that can help us last up till a month. So you don't have to worry about putting distilled water again and again. The gas normally moves upwards. Now from here, the gas will lead to the bubbler or indicator. As you can see, bubbles are occurring over here. It means gas is actually passing. Why are we using hydrogen and oxygen gas? Now let's say this is the piston of the engine. When fuel normally burns, it will create such pressure for the piston of the engine to move upwards. And then normally there's a spark plug on top. When the piston touches the spark plug, it will explode also and move the piston down. Now that's a cycle. Now since hydrogen is flammable and oxygen helps it burn,
these are some of the ways that customers want to use our product. One, our product is very simple to understand. Only if we explain it to them, it is very simple to understand. Our product is really eye-catching, as there's never been a product similar to this in the market. Our product can be used in different ways, such as in food industries, and can be used in different cars, depending on what kind of fuel they're using, example diesel. And this depends on how much efficiency it will cause.